Hi guys, welcome to In the Kitchen with Adnan and Aliya. And this week we're cooking, or we have just cooked, veg pilau. As you can see, looks absolutely delicious, smells great, and
tastes good.
Tastes fantastic. So let's show you how we've made this. Right, let's get to the ingredients. 1 potato cut into small pieces, 3 teaspoons of salt, 1 cup of oil, 1 cup of garden peas, 2 cups of rice, 2 carrots, 3 sticks of spring onions, 1 big stalk of broccoli cut into small florets, 2 medium onions, 2 tomatoes, and we're using 4 green chilies.
अब इसमें मैं ऑयल डाल रही हूँ.
So we're cooking it off with oil as always. Gonna let that come up to temperature and then we'll proceed. Onions.
Yeah.
Here you go.
अब मैं इसमें अनियन ऐड कर रही हूँ.
So she's just saying she's adding onions to kick things off. And in vegetable rice, Aliya, we're not gonna brown the onions too much.
जब हम वेजिटेबल राइस बनाते हैं तो हमने अनियन को ज़्यादा ब्राउन नहीं करना.
So she's just saying she's not gonna brown the rice, brown the onions too much. Alright guys, just one thing. We forgot to mention in the ingredients. We got some cinnamon, about just over a teaspoon of cumin seeds, 3 black cardamom and some cloves.
Yeah, अब हम इसमें गरम मसाला जो मिक्स है हम इसमें ऐड करेंगे, डालें इसमें.
So we're going in.
अब हम इसमें ये कटे हुए टमाटर और ग्रीन चिली भी ऐड करेंगे.
So next the tomatoes and the green chilies.
इसमें नमक भी डाल दें. देखिए हमने वेजिटेबल राइस में हमने ज़्यादा ऑनियन को ब्राउन नहीं किया.
Salt has just gone in, and Aliya was just pointing out how we haven't browned the onions too much. They're just slightly brown. If you brown them too much, then the rice at the end will have a really dark color.
Yeah.
We're doing this recipe because we know we've got a number of vegetarian viewers and subscribers, and we wanted to do this just for you guys so you don't feel like we're ignoring you. And
yeah. Aloo add किया मैंने.
Next goes in the potato, followed by the green peas. And guys, if you like this recipe, please don't forget to like, share, and if you're new to the channel, please subscribe so you know when the new recipes are up.
ब्रोकली हम बिल्कुल एंड में शामिल करेंगे क्योंकि वो ज़्यादा कुक हो जाएगी.
So what Aliya is just saying is that she's going to add the broccoli at the very end because broccoli will cook very quickly and we don't want it just to turn to mush. So we're going to add in all the vegetables apart from the broccoli, which we're going to leave for now.
वेजिटेबल को ज़्यादा कुक नहीं करना, बस आपने 4 से 5 मिनट के लिए इसको कुक करना है.
So we're just going to cook the veg for 4 or 5 minutes, Aliya is saying. What we don't want to do is we don't want to overcook it because we're going to cook it with the rice in, so it'll turn to mush. So the veg have been cooking for about 5 minutes and now we're going to add, how much, Aliya, roughly 4 cups of boiling water?
No, 3.5.
3.5. 1 2 3.5
बिकॉज हमने 2 कप चावल लिए हैं तो हमने पूरे 4 कप पानी नहीं डाला.
So what Aliya is just saying is we've got 2 cups of rice and we're adding just under double that amount of water.
उसको थोड़ी देर लिट लगाएंगे फिर इसमें हम राइस ऐड करेंगे.
So
हम इसमें ये चावल ऐड करेंगे.
So now that the water that we added has come up to the boil, we're going to add the rice. And are we also now going to add the broccoli, Aliya?
ब्रोकली भी और उसमें ऐड करेंगे और वो ग्रीन अनियन भी.
So the broccoli and the spring onions are going in now so that they don't get overcooked.
That's it.
And the rice we washed a few times with cold water before we added them.
देखिए अब इसमें से पानी ड्राई हो गया. ये नीचे इसमें थोड़ा सा पानी है जिसके लिए हम दम पे रखेंगे. 15 मिनट के लिए मैं दम दूंगी.
So what Aliya has just said is basically we added the water, we turned the heat up, we put the lid on, and now that most of the water is boiled, just at the bottom there's a bit of water left. And now we're gonna just put the lid on with this cloth. Just to what the purpose of this is to trap in all the steam.
And low heat.
And then we're gonna turn the heat right down. Leave it like this for how long, Aliya?
15 minutes.
For 15 minutes.
After 15 minutes चावल रेडी हो गए हैं. अब ये खाने के लिए तैयार है.
So what Aliya has just said is it's been 15 minutes. The rice are perfectly cooked and ready to eat. Like I said earlier, we made this recipe because we know we've got a number of vegetarian viewers and this is for them. So if you're vegetarian or vegan for that matter, this one's for you. And if you enjoyed the recipe, please like and share. And if you're new to the channel, kindly subscribe because it really helps the channel out. So thank you very much, and comment down below what you think and let us know what you want to see us cook, because we made a number of subscriber suggestions. So if you want your choice, comment down below and we will make your choice.